If you are looking for the best mechanical keyboard in 2026, the Epomaker RT98 might be the perfect choice for your desk setup. In this video, we will take a look at why this retro-style mechanical keyboard is a game changer featuring its unique modular numpad, a mini smart TV display, and that incredibly satisfying creamy gasket mounts. Whether you're a gamer searching for the best keyboard for gaming or a developer looking for the perfect Epomaker keyboard, the RT98 delivers with tri-mode connectivity and hot-swappable switches. Now let's start off with unboxing this keyboard. This is the package you get to see when you order the keyboard. I really thank Epomaker for sending me this product to make a review. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the keyboard itself, protected in a dust cover. Aside from that, Epomaker includes a high-quality braided USB-C cable, a keycap and switch puller, extra replacement switches, and some other tools. And the star of the show, detachable smart mini TV. It's a complete package that feels premium right from the start. Now let's talk about aesthetics of this keyboard. It has a clean and simple design with a cream color that gives a nice retro feeling. It also has RGB backlighting, which makes it look even more attractive. The aesthetics are 10 out of 10. It has PBT keycaps, which are thick and have a slightly textured feel that prevents shine over time. When you lift the keyboard, you will notice it's a bit wider and heavier than traditional keyboards. That's because it's built with solid materials and also houses a massive 8000 mAh built-in battery. You can charge it via USB Type-C port and the battery backup is insane. It can easily last up to 10 days on a single charge with around 8 hours of daily usage. On top of the keyboard, you will find the connectivity ports. The keyboard supports 3 connection modes: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. For example, you can plug in the included USB dongle to your computer and switch the keyboard to 2.4 mode for low latency wireless usage. Alternatively, you can use Bluetooth or connect a USB-C cable to use it in wired mode and the keyboard will charge while you're using it. At the back of the keyboard, you will find flip-out legs that allows you to lift the keyboard for a more comfortable typing angle. It can use to raise the back of the keyboard to provide an inclined typing angle. This indeed improves the ergonomic comfort by reducing wrist pain for some users. You can also keep the keyboard flat if you prefer. Personally, I like to keep it raised. It makes the keys and numbers easier to see while typing. Also, this keyboard is modular and comes with a detachable numpad that adapts to your workflow. You can place the numpad on either the left or right side. You just remove a few screws on the back and reposition it however you like for better control, comfort, and efficiency. Now let's talk about the typing experience. This RT98 uses a premium gasket-mounted board, which means it's cushioned, giving you a softer, more flexible typing experience for long periods. Now let's hear that typing sound. It's got that creamy sound profile that enthusiasts love. No ping, no rattle, just pure, satisfying clicks. So whether you're a software engineer or enthusiast, you are going to love the smooth consistency typing experience. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the smart mini TV. This isn't just a gimmick, it's actually very useful and customizable. It's detachable. By using a pogo pins and strong magnets at the bottom, you can easily attach or remove it. It can display things like your system temperature, the time, or even your favorite gifts. By default, the keyboard has built-in shortcuts to change screen modes. You can press Function plus Enter to switch between the modes. For example, you can see the time and other information. Use typing mode to view your key presses in real time or show the default GIF. To customize GIFs, go to this website and make sure your keyboard is connected to your computer via USB-C. Then you can go ahead and upload your own images or GIFs, whether it's a dancing cat or your own logo. It adds a personal touch that most keyboards don't have. This display is very bright and sharp. You can also program the keys using a software called VIA. Just like other Epomaker keyboards, this is good for advanced users. I would recommend not changing anything unless you know what you're doing. Apart from that, the RT98 is fully hot-swappable. The keyboard comes with the tools to be used to replace the keycaps and switches. You will find two tools in the box, a keycap puller and extra switches. Let's do a quick demo. I will use the keycap puller to gently remove a keycap and use the other end of the tool to pull out the switch. Replacing the switch is really simple. Just align it and push it back in. This swappable feature makes customization very easy. Overall, if you're a fan of the retro aesthetic but you don't want to sacrifice modern features like gasket mounting and smart displays, Epomaker RT98 is a top-tier choice. It's built like a tank, and Mini TV is a conversation starter every time. If you want to buy it, I have put the links in the description down below. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.